Hello, I am so sorry about that. I was just staring at a screen that was buffering and would not let me in. So I had to refresh. So I'm very sorry I am a few minutes late. I was here, but the computer would not let me go live. So hello, everybody, and welcome to our fourth lesson. Thank you for joining us. So I'm going to get started straight away on some brain teasers. Welcome some new people. Lovely to see some old friends back from previous lessons and from earlier today. So hello, 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 hello. Make sure you have subscribed to the YouTube channel and make sure that you have ticked the bell for notifications so that you do not miss any future lessons. We're going to carry on all the way through the Easter holidays. And also make sure that you have downloaded our Fantastic Kid app. It's on the Google and Apple app stores. And it's at the moment it's aimed at year 4, but we are working really hard on getting version 1 out, and that will be suitable from years 1 to 6. So if you download that now, then when the updates come through, you'll get them automatically. So make sure you do that. You can just check out what it looks like, and then when the year 5 and 6 version comes out, then you'll be able to have that update automatically. Now, just remember that the lessons get more difficult. So if anything in this lesson makes you feel a bit wobbly, please do watch the earlier lessons. So I'm tending to do quite a lot of teaching in the first lesson, a balance of teaching and reasoning in the second, but it's mostly reasoning and problems in the third. So in the lessons aimed at year 5 and 6, forget the year groups, think about what's right for you. If there are any aspects that you think, oh, I would have liked a little bit more explaining on this, then please do watch the earlier lessons. Please do watch them and make sure you tune in and do all 3 lessons if that's okay. So thank you very much. That's just a little bit of heads up. Hello, Rexy. Hi, hi, hi. So let's just come down and look at our brain teaser this morning. So you do not have to write out the questions. You do not have to write out all of the questions. Just write the numbers 1 to 7 and write the answers for me. Write the numbers 1 to 7 and write the answers for me. I'm just going to come over and see if you can see everything. Yeah, okay. So just write the answers down for me. Put the numbers 1 to 7 in your book, your little workbook or your paper that you are keeping, 1 to 7, and then calculate these for me. Do them in your head. Okay, so remember what I said. If at any point you think that the lessons are too hard for you, there's something that you want a little bit more help with, then please make sure you jump on the earlier lessons as well. Okay, so make sure you jump on the earlier lessons. If there's anything here that you think, oh, that's a little bit hard for me, then you just make sure that you jump on the earlier lessons, okay? So just try and go through all of these and write them down so that when we go through, you can check your answers to make sure that you are absolutely all correct. Just a little brain teaser while we are waiting for everybody else to join us. I'm just doing them as well as I sit here. Okay, so just write the answers down. Just write the answers down. I don't need all the questions written out. And I know that this group have a really fantastic range of ticks and thumbs up to let me know when you're ready and when you've done. Okay, try not to put the answers up yet. Show me that you can listen and you can follow the instructions and you can do as I'm asking, because if you put the answers up, then some other people might think, oh, I don't really need to concentrate now because I can see the answer. So let's make sure that we are letting other people think as well, okay? So please make sure you don't put the answers up yet. Don't put the answers up yet. I'm going to give you 30 seconds more and then we are going to go through them. 30 seconds more and then we are going to go through, okay? So just make sure that you are working through these and you are ready. 10 seconds more and we are going to go through. 10 seconds more, and we are going to go through. Okay, so let's have a look at question 1. Question 1. So what is 50,000 more than 70,000? Can you please type in your answer? What is 50,000 more than 70,000? Thank you for letting me know you're ready. And make sure you tick if you got the correct answer. Tick on your work if you got the correct answer. The answer is 120,000. 120,000. Yeah. Now we are now looking at question number 2. What is 10,000 minus 60? What is 10,000 minus 60? Now you're not taking any hundreds away, you're taking 60 away, so you've still got 9,900, and then you can just look at that 100 bond. 9,940. 9,940. Give yourself a tick if you got that correct. Give yourself a tick if you got that correct. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. What is the sum of 80,000 and 90,000? What is the sum of 80,000 and 90,000? Can you put your answers up, please? The sum of 80,000 and 90,000. Okay, you can scale up. 80 and 90, you know, is 170. And then you've got to add those 3 powers of 10 on. Well done. Okay, 170. So let's have a look at question 4. Just going to move that over so we can see it. What is the difference between 12,000 and 9,000? Well, think 12 and 9, and then scale it up. The answer is 3,000. The answer is 3,000. The answer is 3,000. Okay, looking at question number 5. Which is more? Which is more? 3,800, which is 3,800, or 3,000 take away 500? Well, you know, just think logically. You've got 3,000 and you're adding something there, and you've got 3,000 and you're taking away something. So it is obviously going to be 3,800, which will come to 3,800. That is more because you're adding and here you're taking away. So let's see if you could find the missing number for me. 222,203, 222,204, 222,205, 222,207. We've missed a number. We've missed a number. And there it is. 222,206. Well done. Oh, brilliant. Good thinking, good thinking, good thinking, good thinking. You can see you're on the ball. Let's keep you busy. So number 7, let's have a little look. Find the missing number here. We went 700,703, 700,702, 700,701, 700,700, 700,698. That's if you take 2 away. We were not counting in 2s. We were counting in 1s. So the answer there is 700,699. That is the missing number. That is the missing number. Okay. So can you tell me how many you got out of 7, please? Can I see? 6 out of 7, 7. Oh, well done. Somebody's straight in with their score. Fantastic. Straight in with their score. Okay, if you didn't get 6 or above, I really, really would like you to join the earlier lessons in future, please. Oh, nice, 100%, very nice. Like the way you've written that, excellent. Okay, yep, we got 7. Lots of people getting 7 out of 7. That's really good, showing secure understanding of place value. Okay, if you did 1, that could be a silly mistake. If you got more than 1 wrong, then I really, really want you to join the earlier lessons so that you can make sure that you are getting that understanding secure. Now, last lesson, I presented you with a problem, and we did not have time to finish this problem. So I'm going to put it back there. and make sure that you can read it. Okay. So using the digit cards, using the digits 0 to 9, create 3 different 5-digit numbers. Start off by doing 1 if you can. And you have to follow these rules. Digits in the hundreds and one column have to have a difference of 2. Digits in the hundreds column and the 10,000s column have to have a difference of 2. And the sum of all the digits have to add up to 19. Now think about working systematically. Think about working systematically. The first thing I did was to draw very quickly a place value grid so that I could think about the numbers. If you have not got cards made, you can just try ones and cross them out. So just draw yourself a quick grid. You know that the digits in here and here have to have a difference of 2. You know the digit in here and here have to have a difference of 2. That is what I would start with. I would start putting digits in here and here and here, making sure these have a difference of 2 and these have a difference of 2. Then you can think to yourself, what else do I have to add? What other digits can I put in to make the total 19? To make the total 19. So let's just see if I can see. So we've got 81,000. So difference of 2, difference of 2. Do they come to 19? 9, 50. Yes, they do. And another one. Well done. 47. Difference of 2. Difference of 2. 4 and 7, 11, and 2 is 30. Yes. Oh, very nice. I've got 3 nice examples. Well done. Let's see if you can get others. Once you start thinking about 2s, if I just put one in here, if I thought, okay, oh, I'm just going to count in the 2 times table. That's really easy. So I know that's got a difference of 2. I know that's got a difference of 2. I know that's got a difference of 2. Okay, what have I got? Oh, little wobbly 6 there. Let me just make that 6. I'm writing upside down. This is a bit tricky. Okay, I've got 10, 12. Okay, 12 and 19, difference of 7. Oh, right, fine. I can just put 3 and 4 in there. Okay, just play around with it. See what you can do. See how many you can come up with. There are lots of different ones. Okay, so I'll just go show the rules again. The digits in the hundreds and the ones column have to have a difference of 2. The digits in the hundreds and the 10,000 column have to have a difference of 2. The total of all the digits have to add up to 19. So I'm just going to put on this one like as a double check. So it has to be a difference of 2 there. Has to have a difference of 2 there. And the whole thing, all the digits, add up to 19. All digits. Okay, so that's the rule shown in a bit of a pictorial form. Has to be a difference of 2 in those digits. Has to be a difference of 2 between those digits. And all of them have to add up to 19. All of them have to add up to 19. I'm just going to check that one last one. So 3 and 5 is 2. 5 and 8. No, 5 and 8 does not have a difference of 2. 408 ones. 5 and 8 have a difference of 3. So just look at that one. Look at 34,548. Just check that one again. Okay, so if you're worried about other people copy and pasting, let's see if they can do one that's not the same as you. See if they can add another one. Okay, 5-digit number. There's a 4-digit number just came in. Let's have a little look. Okay, well done. Get in your brain. You could see how many you can get up to. See how many you can get up to, and then actually send me an email. Get your grown-ups to send an email. So look, these are all the ones I found. Remember what I said. If you send your work in to me, I will show it on the live stream. If you send a copy of your work, I will show it on the live stream. So well done, all of those thinkings. Well done, all of those thinkings. So that was a little brain teaser. Let's have a look at some missing numbers. Let's have a look at some missing numbers. We've got some big numbers here, and I'm going to show you one at a time, because I don't want all of them to be there at the same time. So let's have a look at some missing numbers. I'm just going to fold paper over. Can you have a look at this sequence for me, please, and tell me what is the missing number? I'm just going to make that a bit bigger. This is a bit confusing. You can see the one underneath as well. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Type it in. Okay, let's look. 4,441, 4,442, 4,444. Quite right. We've got a missing number there. Excellent. Ready for the next one. Ready for the next one. Okay, ready for the next one. I'm just going to take this one away and I'm going to drop the paper down to show you the next one. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Okay. Whoops. See that one again. What is the missing number? Okay. What is the missing number? 50,001, 50,003, 50,004, 50,005. No, we have jumped up there. We have missed out 50,002. Well done. We have missed out 50,002. Let's have a look at the next number sequence. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Okay, let's have a little look. What is the missing number? Come on, brainy brains. Come on, brainy brains. Let's get brainy brain in. What is the missing number? We have got 40,002, 40,001. So we're going down. 39,998, 39,999, 39,998. We have missed out. How could we have? We have missed out 40,000. We have missed out 40,000. Well done if you saw that one. We have missed out 40,000. Let's go to the next one. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? For the next one, what is the missing number? What is the missing number? Okay, remember what I said. Anything on this that you're not sure of, then please watch the earlier lesson. We are jumping up to 7 and 8 digit numbers here. We are dealing with big numbers. If you are not ready for those numbers, please do jump down onto the previous lesson. Now think very carefully about how you are writing these numbers. Some of you are not thinking. We're already on the hundreds of thousands and we are going up. And we are going up. So just focus on what you're doing and make sure you've got the correct number of digits. So we have got 999,998, 999,999. We are then going to jump up to 1 million. Okay, 1 million, no hundreds of thousands, no tens of thousands, no thousands, no hundreds, no tens, no ones. 1 million is a 7-digit number. So the next number then is 1,000,001. Still a 7-digit number. Can you just check you've only got 7 digits, please? 7 digits. Use commas or spaces to show those numbers carefully. Okay, some people wrote it in words. That's absolutely fine. And the last one, what is the missing number? What is the missing number in the last one? What is the missing number? Gone down to 4 digits now. So we're into the hundreds of thousands. What number is missing? What number is missing? What number is missing? So we have got 404,403, 404,402, 404,400. Well done those children who are concentrating and showing me their answer really quickly. Okay. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Okay. So if you have done your answer, then please leave space in the chat for other people. Okay. 404,401. Well done on those number sequences. Well done. So some of you are really secure on this. Some of you are struggling with the bigger digit numbers, with the 7-digit numbers, and that's fine. Remember, I said you can jump on the earlier lesson. If your grown-ups asking you to do this lesson, then just try and do your best. And, and if you're worried, you don't have to enter anything to the chat. You can just listen and look at what other people are entering into the chat, and then you can see if you're picking up maths as well. And make sure on Tuesday you join us at 9:30 and you join the lessons right the way through. Now let's get rid of this and get rid of this. This is something I used earlier. So I know year 5 and 6, you will already know what these signs are. Oh, I'm going to ask you, show me the mathematical sign for greater than. You'll have it on your keyboard. Can you show me the mathematical sign for greater than? Okay, show me the mathematical sign for greater than. Yep, here they come. Greater than. What's on here is bigger than what is on here. Show me the mathematical sign for less than. Show me the mathematical sign for less than. Show me the mathematical sign for less than. Absolutely comes the other way. Now, what's over here is less than what's over here. Okay. This mouth always wants to eat the big thing. Yum, 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 the big thing. Yum, 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 the big thing. Okay. The big thing is always going into the mouth because the mouth is greedy. So, bearing that in mind, now I would like you to insert the correct sign into these examples, please. And let us do one at a time. So let's make sure we're all focused on the math so we can go through these really quickly. Can you put the correct sign? So in question 1, what sign are we adding? What sign are we adding? Is 77,001 greater or less than 77,010? Is it greater or less than 70,010? Is it greater or less than? Okay, we're not using add, we are just using greater or less than. These are the only, oops, I didn't put it down for you to see. That's not very helpful, is it? I just forgot about that, sorry. Are we using greater or less than? Which one are we putting in? Is it greater than or is it less than? Let me see. Think about how they come up on the screen. Is it greater than or is it less than? Which one? Greater than or less than? Let's have a look. Which one? So 77,001 is less than, isn't it? It is less than. It is less than 777,011, because that's 100, 6-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. It is less than. It is less than. Well done. Let's have a look at the next one. Let's have a look at the next one. So in here, in example number 2, 101,001 and 110,011. Is that less than or greater than? Is 101,001 less than or greater than 110,011? Okay, it is less than. It is less than. That's only got 101,000. That's got 110,000. So straight away, looking at those first numbers, you know that that is less. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay, 59,999 and 59,499. 59,111. 59,999 and 59,111. Is it greater than or less than? Is it greater than or less than? Is it greater than or less than? It is greater than, isn't it? Because that's got 59,000, that's got 59,000, but that's got 999, that's got 111. So it is greater than. So the next one, let's have a look at the next one. Come down to the next one. 65,701, 65,110. 65,701, 65,110. Both got 65,000, but this has got 700, that's got 100. So this number is greater. This number is greater. This number is greater. Well done. And the last one, let's have a look at the last one. 10,101 and 10,110. Is it less than or greater than? Less than or greater than? Well done, well done, well done, well done. Less than or greater than? It is less than. It is less than. It is less than. Okay. So well done for those greater than and less than. Can you let me know how many you got right? Did you get all of those right? 5 out of 5, 3 out of 5. Let me know how you did. Let me know how you did. Let me know how you did. Okay, so we are getting near the end. We are getting near the end. 5 out of 5. Well done, well done, well done. Yep. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, excellent. Well done. Those people are really focused in the lesson, really giving me good feedback, letting me know where you are. Let's have a little look at a little problem here. Let's see if you can see this. So two different two-digit numbers, both round to 40 when rounded to the nearest 10. The sum of the two numbers is 79. So when those two numbers are added together, they come to 79. What could the two numbers be? Let's see how brainy we are thinking. Two different two-digit numbers, both round to 40. So the first thing I would do is I would write down all the two-digit numbers that round to 40. That's what I'm going to do on my board. See if you can do that on your paper. The first thing I would do is I would write down all the two-digit numbers that round to 40. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 40. Okay. And then look at which of those numbers, when added together, make a total of 79. So let's have a little look. Oh, I've got 39 and 42. 39 and 42. Do they come to 79? 39 and 42. I can't feel that they come to 79. Let's have a little look. So they've got to, the two numbers together have got to add to 79. Oh, got some good thinkers there. Straight away got 3 examples down. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, somebody's writing a little poem and has got the maths wrong. Well done, those of you really focused on the maths. Well done, well done. Excellent, 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 excellent. Let's look at some of those examples. Let's come up. Up you come. So like I said, think systematically. First of all, look at all the numbers that round to 40. Well, it's 35 up and 44 down. And then look at those digits and see which of those two numbers could you add together to make 79. And that's what you've got to do. Okay, put which of those could add to 79. So we could have 35 and 44. We could have 36 and 43. We could have 37 and 42. Can you see? Let me come over here. We could have 38 and 41. We could have 39 and 40. They are the ones that I thought of when I was doing it. So well done. Just before we finish, I'm going to give you another little brain teaser. Another little brain teaser. So have a look at this one. Let's see those good focus maths brains. Let's have a look. I've just got to check that you can see everything, that you are all on the screen, that you are all on the screen. So I would like to know, what is each shape worth and what is the answer to question 5? I would like to know, what is each shape worth and what is the answer to number 5? What is each shape worth and what is the answer to number 5? Okay, so just have a little look at that. What is each shape worth? And what is the answer to number 5? And what is the answer to number 5? So you can put in there what they are. Okay, somebody's put the triangle in, somebody's put the circle in. Well done. So what is the answer to number 5? Okay. Okay. Somebody's done brilliant explaining the shapes and then made a mistake at the end. Now, there's not two options. There are not two options. It's not this or that. There's only one answer at the end. So let's have a little look. So if 3 triangles equal 90, if 3 triangles equal 90, then a triangle 90 divided by 3 must be 30. Okay, so just tick off if you've got them. So the triangle must be 30. So next we have triangle plus 2 circles is 100. Well, 100 take away 30 is 70. And if we divide 70 by 2, then the circle equals 35. So the circle equals 35. So then we come down to the square. So the answer is 55. We know a circle is 35. So we take 35 from 55. We've got 20 left. So those squares must equal 10. So the squares must equal 10. Just check you've got all of those correct. And then we come down here. We've got triangle, that's 30, plus 10 is 40. Well, we're already at 40. So the rectangle must equal 0. The rectangle must equal 0 because we are already at 40. We are already at 40. Let me move you over a little bit so you can see those as well. We are already at 40. So triangle is 30 at the bottom. 30 plus circle, which is 35, plus square, which is 10. 30 and 35 is 65, plus 10. So the answer to number 5 is 75. 75. The answer to number 5 is 75. Now I can see lots of thinking. The answer to number 5 is 75. That's the answer. So well done, everybody. Well done. Have a lovely weekend. I hope the weather's going to be nice. Now, Rex and I have got a little message for you. We've got a great quiz set up that's going to practice all the things we've been working on today. So there are quizzes for the 2 earlier lessons as well. So, if you're finding this a bit hard, drop onto the earlier lesson and do the earlier one. I haven't had anybody's dot to dots yet. Maybe it was a little bit too hard for you. Or maybe you just don't have a printer or a printer that works, and that's absolutely fine. But if you do have a printer, then please ask your grown-ups to print out the email attachment that we sent you on Tuesday. It's a brilliant dot to dot, really give you something to do over the Easter weekend, over the long weekend. And then you can color it in and send a photograph, get your grown-up to send a photograph as an attachment for an email, and I will show them. I will show them on Tuesday's lesson. So remember, please, to ask your grown-ups to tell their friends about our lessons. I am loving working with you because I'm not seeing so many people working from home, and I feel like I get to see loads of people because we're working together. Thank you so much for your maths concentration. Remember to subscribe. Remember to look at the Fantastic Kid app and download it so that when we get it ready for year 5 and 6, you are good to go. So to finish off, let me say a well done. Move that so you can see. Well done, Rexy says, well done, well done. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. And we will see you on Tuesday. Let your friends know. Get your grown-ups to get their friends, to get their children to come on and join us. Brilliant. Really, really, really good. Good math thinking. Lovely to see you. Well done. Take care. See you on Tuesday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.